Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. My name is Georgi and today it's Thursday, which is mean another cocktail video. But today we're going low. We're going really low. And we're going low in ABV, okay? Nothing else. Yes, today I'm making two cocktails for you and both of them, it's fantastic, refreshing spring or summer sips. To enjoy a couple of them or maybe 3 or 4 because it's low ABV and they're quite unusual. They are from the sour family, or we can put them in the sour family, but apart from that, they're unusual and most likely you never try any of them because in general they don't exist. I just make them up because I like them and I wanted to share with you. So if you're ready, don't forget you can always subscribe if you like what you see here. Hit the like button if you like the recipes, and of course stay around for more recipes and Monday drums. But now, let's see what I'm gonna prepare for you today. Okay, my friends, so today I decide to do a low ABV sours. And you may ask why. Well, spring is coming and the enjoyment of being outside, it's kind of bringing the vibe of refreshing and, you know, easy drinking cocktails and a kind of a quick sips, which it's refreshing as the spring. Okay, let's put it this way. And maybe you want to enjoy a couple of these drinks, or you maybe enjoy 3 or 4, or you may be hosting a party and you want to impress your guests with something low ABV to give them more chance to enjoy the afternoon and not necessarily going to, you know, the heavy artillery of a boozy cocktails. So you can do whiskey sour, you can do bourbon, you can do pisco, you can do tequila, whatever you decide. In fact, I've already done Scotch sour and I've done a Pisco sour on the channel, so you can check the cards here when they pop out. But today I wanted to do a low ABV. And I picked 2 flavors which I think going really well when it comes to sours. One of them is Limoncello, which is already lemon liqueur, and you may say, whoa, that's gonna be zesty, but it won't because Limoncello is sweet, so don't get fooled by the name. And the other one is Rhubarb Sour. So if we are ready, let's don't talk too much. Let's just see the ingredients and make these wonderful, delicious low ABV sours. So for both sours, we're gonna need freshly squeezed lemon juice, of course. We're gonna use egg white. If you don't want to use egg white, or you have allergy, or you probably don't like the egg white, you can supplement with aquafaba. Now for the limoncello sour, I'm gonna use limoncello. For the rhubarb, I'm going to use Rhubarb Liqueur by Giffard. Of course, again, pick up the liqueur you have available and use this one. Now, here is a little kind of a twist, okay? So, for the rhubarb sour, I'm going to drop a little bit of rhubarb bitter and I'm going to grate some fresh ginger inside, just to give a little spice to the cocktail and of course a little bitterness. For the limoncello sour, and this is my personal preference, so you don't have to go with it, I'll be using Better's Bitters, which is a pineapple and star anise bitter, just to give a little bit of tropical touch and a little bit of spiciness to the sour. However, if it's difficult for you to find, just totally ignore this. I'm giving you the suggestions because this is how I like to make it. I hope you can find, because I'm pretty sure Better's Bitters is available worldwide. Okay, so let's build the cocktails and I'm gonna build them together. I'm gonna put the recipes directly in the description, so nothing on the screen, and then we're gonna test it. So let's crack on. First of all, we're gonna start with the limoncello, and I'm gonna use 60 ml or 2 ounces of the limoncello. Bear in mind, it's a low ABV. The limoncello, it's around 30 ABV, so you'll be absolutely fine. Then in the other shaker, I'm gonna use 60 ml of the rhubarb liqueur. So this is 2 ounces again. The rhubarb liqueur by Giffard, it's 20 ABV, so it's even lower than the limoncello. Now, in the limoncello, 5-6 drops of the Pineapple Star Anise Bitters, and in the rhubarb, 2 dashes of the Rhubarb Bitter. Wonderful. Then we have freshly squeezed lemon juice, so 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce. And exactly the same we're gonna go in the rhubarb, 22.5 or a 3/4 ounce. Okay, and then we go with the egg white, a 15 ml of egg white of each cocktail. Here we are, just a little bit more here. And that's it, the main ingredients, it's in. Only one thing left here. I will have a little bit of ginger inside in the shaker with the rhubarb. So what I'm gonna do is just basically cut few slices of ginger. You can grate it or you can cut it really thin. I will cut it really thin and just chop. When I shake, they will release a little bit of the spiciness. Just gonna press a little bit like that with a knife and drop it inside in the rhubarb. And we are ready for a dry shake. Now when it's a dry shake, let me move these jiggers on the side. When you're doing dry shake, guys, remember the shaker is gonna try to open because of the pressure building inside with the egg. It's gonna try to open, so make sure you keep the shaker really steady and just give it a quick dry shake just to break the egg and release this lovely froth from the air bubbles inside. And then we're gonna shake with ice, so very quick. I'm gonna try to show you with this one how it's kind of trying to pop out. Look at that. Oh, yeah, it's just pushing and it's trying to pop out. So a quick ice inside. We need to chill these cocktails. We need to mix them really nice. Introduce some more air to the egg white. And give it a good shake. Ooh, nearly went out. Wonderful. Oh, that's just beautiful. Here we are. Okay, glasses, my shakers, it's ready with the strainers. And let's serve. I'm serving straight up, no ice at all. It's just straight up in the lovely Nick and Nora glasses. And this is it, simple as that. We have the rhubarb and ginger sour, we can call it like that, but I prefer just to say rhubarb sour because the ginger is just a little bit, just to give a little spice, and it's not necessary to use it if you don't want to. And on this side we have the limoncello sour. So let's give it a try. Okay, I'm gonna start with the limoncello sour. Now you may ask a question why I didn't put any garnish. Because you don't need to. Okay, I mean, it's up to you. If you want to get creative and get some creativity with the rhubarb or with the lemon, feel free. You can use a zest, you can use anything, but in general, you don't need any garnish on these cocktails because they're straight up, they're in lovely glass, they look fantastic, and they taste delicious. So, cheers! Oh. I love limoncello as it is, but when you add this little bit of extra fresh zestiness to it, and the bitter, you know, the star anise and the pineapple bitter is bringing lovely flavor to it. And here it's coming another actually probably question which is gonna come from somebody. You may say you didn't use sugar syrup. Yes, I didn't use sugar syrup because this is a liqueurs. They already have enough sugar in them, okay? If you want it more sweet, fair enough, but it won't be any more sour. It will be just refreshing summery or spring cocktail, okay? Now let's move to the rhubarb. Let's see this. Oh, beautiful. It's very elegant, kind of on the nose. Fantastic. Oh. Oh. Oh, definitely don't need sugar syrup whatsoever, even one drop. You don't need any. You have 2 ounces of a lovely rhubarb liqueur which have enough sugar inside to balance with the lemon, and this on the back end a lovely kind of a little bit of ginger hit coming. That's just amazing, guys. Try, okay? Get whatever liqueur you have home, experiment, try low ABV sours because they're just beautiful and you're gonna have a blast spring, okay? Stay safe, enjoy whatever you do, get prepared for the weekend, go grab a bottle of limoncello or rhubarb liqueur or whatever liqueur you like, and just get some low ABV sours this weekend, okay? But for now, yeah, enjoy whatever you do this weekend, and as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.